In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not loading pages. If websites in Edge refuse to load, spin endlessly, or show outdated content, the most reliable first fix is to clear the browser's cached files and cookies. This removes stale copies of pages and resets site data that may be conflicting with fresh content. Don't worry, this won't erase your favorites, and it won't remove saved passwords unless you choose options beyond what we'll select. Clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so you can sign back in afterward. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. We're going to use a built-in cleanup tool, so there's nothing extra to install. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots, also known as the Settings and More menu. Click that menu to reveal the main controls. From here, click Settings. This is where Edge keeps all privacy, data, and performance options that influence how pages load. On the Settings page, select Privacy, Search, and Services. If you don't immediately see it, it's typically listed on the left sidebar. On narrower windows, you might need to expand the menu to find it. This section manages what Edge stores about your browsing and how it handles site data in the background. Scroll down until you reach the Clear Browsing Data area. This is the tool we want. Click Clear Browsing Data to expand it, then click Choose What to Clear. A panel will open with a list of data types. For our fix, focus on two specific items: cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Check both of these. Cached images and files are temporary copies of web content. When they become outdated or corrupted, pages can fail to load or display incorrectly. Cookies and other site data store sign-in states and site preferences. If they're out of sync, pages can loop or stall. Leave other items unchecked if you only want to target what affects loading without removing your browsing history or saved passwords. Once those two options are selected, click Clear Now. Edge will begin removing the selected data. Depending on how much is stored, this might take a few moments. When it's done, the temporary files and site data that commonly block or break page loads will be cleared, letting Edge request clean, up-to-date content from each website. That's it. You've used Edge's own tools to remove the most frequent causes of pages not loading. This quick cleanup resolves a large share of display glitches, endless loading wheels, and sign-in loops, and it's safe to repeat whenever sites start acting up again.